Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about packaging of sambar masala powder. India is known as the home of spices. India exports spices to 130 countries in the world of the total spices produced in the India. When we go for the extending the shelf life of spices or masala powder, the packaging is one of the predominant unit operation involved. Packaging. Packaging can be defined as the economical means of providing presentation, protection, identification, information, containment, convenience, compliance, integrity and stability for a product during storage, transportation, display and until it is consumed or throughout its shelf life. There are many types of packaging available. There are primary packaging where the food products it has direct contact with the packaging material. Secondary packaging it consists of many numbers of primary packed food items. Tertiary packaging it consists of many numbers of secondary packaging food items. Because all these packaging methods are used during retail selling or export purpose or the local distributions or handling purpose. So the types of packaging material used in all these categories are different. So it is very much important to select what type of packaging materials and methods should be used to support the extending the shelf life of the commodity. Deteriorative characteristics of masala powder. Our masala powders are dry in nature. It has essential oil for flavor and aroma. So it may be affected by many environmental factors. The first one is loss of aroma and flavor. Because our products it has essential oils and this essential oil will lose out from the product during the storage period. Because of that the aroma component will escape. To avoid these things, a suitable packaging material to retain this aroma and flavor it has to be selected. Bleaching of color, otherwise discoloration, it is another factor. For examples, green cardamom, red chilies, turmeric, saffron contains natural pigments. These pigments are affected by light and because of that it will lose the colors and fading of color or discoloration will occur. So when you select a packaging material, it should be light productive and it has to maintain the quality of the product during the storage period. Another thing is loss of free flowing nature. Our materials are dry in nature. The moisture content may be vary from 4% to 8%. So because of that, it will absorb that moisture, the nature of hygroscopicity. So when it is absorbing moisture, it will form the cakes. Because of that, the free flowing nature will be affected. Microbial contamination is another major factor. When we store the product above 65% of relative humidity or high humidity, so automatically what will happen? It will support different microbial growth. Because of that, the spoilage will start. Insect infestation. Our product it has very good nutrients and this will support insect during the storage period growth. So insect infestation also another important parameters to control during the storage period. Hence, the packaging materials requirement for masala powder, it has to protect the product from spillage and spoilage, protection against atmospheric factors such as light, heat, humidity and oxygen. Packaging materials should have high water vapor and oxygen barriers. Also high barrier property to prevent aroma or flavor losses and increase of external odor. Packaging material should be grease and oil resistant and compatible with the product. Also, it should have good machinability, printability, and it should be easily available and disposable. So these are all the major requirements for selecting a packaging material for masala powder. Packaging materials for masala powder. There are different packaging methods we are using. Either it may be a consumer package or institutional package or bulk packaging. In such a case, there are different packaging materials are used. Mainly the packaging materials includes glass because it is chemically inert and will not affect the quality, odor or taste of the product. It is strong, rich and 100% recyclable. Another material is plastic. Plastics are prepared due to their properties such as light in weight, easy availability, compatibility, hygienic, natural machinability, printability, heat sealability, and it has selective barrier properties also. It is also available a monolayer or laminated materials with transparent or semi-transparent. Metal cans, stainless steel or double-lacquered cans are highly used in the packaging of masala powders. Apart from that, paper or cardboard boxes also used as a secondary packaging materials in the spice powder or masala powder packaging. Coming to packaging systems, bulk packaging systems. The traditional method of packaging of masala powder, the jute bags or metal containers are used. So gunny or jute bags having the capacity 10 kg to 70 kgs are currently used in the masala powder packing industry, particularly in the storage of masala powder warehouses. These gunny bags, it has a single layer or double gunny bags are used. Sometimes the gunny bags are lined with polyethylene sheet. Also considering the quality maintenance or its importance of spices or masala powder, A12, B12 and DW gunny bags are used. The recent years, jumbo bags, flexible intermediate bulk containers, in short FI/BCS, are highly used in the masala powder industry. These bags are made by either polypropylene or polyethylene woven bags. These bags are flexible, collapsible and durable, can be used for packaging of granules, powder, flakes and any free flowing materials. Product wastage or spillage and tampering can be avoided since the handling is mechanized, less labor is required, saving in time for loading and unloading. Bags are light in weight and therefore freight costs are reduced, creates eco-friendly, pollution-free working atmosphere. So these are all the some of the advantages of using these jumbo bags, and it is available for the export purpose and having the capacity up to 1 tonnes. Another packaging system for masala powder, it is institutional packages. Institutional such as railways, educational institutes, airlines, hotels, etc. So they are all using different capacity of masala powders. It is vary from 2 kg to 10 kg. In such a case, the variety of packages used include laminated flexible pouches and plastic woven sacks, which replace traditional material like tin plate containers and jute bags. Printed flexible pouches are generally laminates of various compositions. Some of the commonly used laminates are polyester, metallized polyester with low density polyethylene, otherwise biaxially oriented polypropylene with low density polyethylene, otherwise biaxially oriented polypropylene with metallized polyester with low density polyethylene. Other combination is polyester with aluminum foil with low density polyethylene. Here any one method of packaging materials can be used depending on the shelf life as well as the barrier properties. In such a case, the types of pouches available in the market based on the sealing properties, either it is center seal formation, which is used in the form fill sealing machines, otherwise three sides seal formation, four sides seal formation, strip pack formations. Like individual small pouches can be used as a strip for filling a small gram of masala powders. In general, the storage conditions as well as the selection of a proper packaging material which will support to extend the shelf life of the masala powders for 1 year. So in such a case, the recommended temperature is 27 degree plus or minus 1 degree centigrade and relative humidity is 65% plus or minus 2%. In such a case, any one of the following the packaging composite can be selected for packing of masala powder. Either it is 40 GSM gram per square meter paper with 0.12 mm aluminum foil with 25 micron low density polyethylene, otherwise 12 micron meter metallized polyester with 50 micron low density polyethylene, or 25 micron biaxially oriented polypropylene with 40 micron low density or high density polyethylene, otherwise 12 micron polyester with 50 micron low density polyethylene with 90 micron low density with tie nylon with low density polyethylene. So these are all the different combination of the plastics are used for packing of masala powder in institutional level packages. Another area of packaging system for masala powder, it is consumer oriented packages. For that, mainly the glass bottles of various sizes and shapes with labels and provided with metal or plastic caps are available. The plastic caps have added inbuilt features of tamper evidence, dispensing, grinding, etc. Printed tin plate container with or without dispensing systems. Composite containers with dispensers. Plastic containers with flags and caps with dispensing and tamper evidence features. Printed flexible pouches, pillow pouch, gusset pouch or stand-up pouches are available. Apart from that, they are lined cottons, paper-based materials are also used for distributing a masala powder in the consumer market. Coming to filling and sealing equipments used in the masala processing industry, in a small scale as well as a medium scale industry, it is auger or agitator filling machines. Here it is available with a different capacity starting from 25 kg holding capacity to 100 kg. These type of machines which is used to pack the masala powders in containers such as plastic box, glass bottles, otherwise stand-up pouches or laminated pouches. Another one is flow filling machines. So it is also used. There are multi-channels are available. So mainly it is used in a continuous operations for filling the masala powders in the pouches or containers. After filling the product, the pouches, the sealer is very much important. The sealing machines used to securely close and or fasten the product usually after the filling sections. In such a case, when the product is packed in a pouches, a band sealer is used for sealing those product. And similarly, when the products are packed in glass bottles or plastic containers, for making hermetic sealing to give very good barrier on the neck, so induction sealing machines are used. So the induction sealers with the support of the cap lids, so the hermetic closures can be done in the masala powder packaging. For continuous packing operations in the industry level, the form fill sealing machines is used abundantly. These filling machines are available in the market either cup filling method or auger filling method. In the cup filling method, if the masala powders are coarse in nature, the particle size are little bigger. In such a case, for continuous filling and continuous packaging, the cup filling methods are used. If the masala powder is fine particle and powder in nature, in such a case, auger filling methods are used for continuous filling and sealing. Another important packaging materials used for packing of masala powder, it is a labeling equipment. Any writer, electronic or graphic communications on the packaging or on a separate, but it is associated with the label. There are different types of labeling machines are used. One is flat glass labeling machines. So where when we use a rectangular cotton boxes, or any containers, if the surface are flat, so for placing the labels, that flat glass labeling machines are used. Another one is round bottle labeling machines. For example, if it is a plastic containers or glass bottles, it is cylindrical in shape. Those bottles where over that we want to place the labels, these round bottle labeling machines are used. And in continuous operations, the side of the glass labeling machines are used. So here some of the example videos are available to show how the packaging will be taking place in the industry level. So here you can see a particle filling machine. It is a digitalized method. So here we can fix the known quantity to be filled in the pouches based on that a timer and the filling capacity. A known quantity of the product powder masala powders will be filled in the individual pouches. The cost of the machine, it is varying from 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs, and it has that feed offer, metering mechanism and control devices. After filling, by using this band sealer, the pouches are sealed. The band sealers are also available with different bandwidth as well as different features. Either it may be a horizontal sealing or vertical sealing. Nowadays, the band sealers are also available with the gas flushing unit. So similar type of pouches can be filled with the gases also, like nitrogen gas. Another method is a agitator type of filling machine. Particularly, it is used for a stand-up pouches. So here, a known quantity of masala powders will be filled in the pouches, followed continuously by using a vertical band sealer. The edges are sealed. And these pouches are available with a Ziploc system. So whenever you use this type of pouches, after taking a product, again you can reseal it. So that will support further extending the shelf life during the storage period. So here the materials are filled on the weight basis. For example, 100 grams of powder is filled in the individual pouches. So this is vertical standing method of band sealer. Particularly it is used for are different suppliers are available. So here, single person can support both filling and sealing operations. Another important machine which is used in the industry, it is form fill sealing machines. It is a cup filling method, filling and sealing equipments. It has the feed offer and cups for holding a known quantity of the powders. So here, three operations will be taking place. One is the plastic film will be formed like a pouches, like tubes. Then filling will be taking place, filling of product, masala powder. Then sealing will be taking place. Because of the three unit operation, that machine is called form fill sealing machines. So here, the flexible films, initially you can print your company name and product ingredients details, and as per the labeling methods you can add everything. The film roll will be placed and this will be used for packing of masala powder in continuous operation. Apart from these equipments, in a industry scale, there are other equipments also used in the packaging line, which is end of line section, and the equipments are, one is case erectors and box forming machineries. In these machines, the carton boxes will be placed, for examples 100 boxes or 150 boxes, that carton boxes will be placed. So when it is entered, so the machine will open the boxes and it will make the sealing in the required area, and it will convert that carton boxes layers into a boxes. So then the filling of the masala powders will be taking place. Another one is case sealers. So in the case sealers, the sides of the cotton boxes, or the edges of the cotton boxes, will be sealed by using these case sealers. And another one is the sleeve wrappers and bundlers. It is an alternative to case packing where the product is bundled together for shipment. And the last equipment is palletizing equipments, particularly it is used in the warehouses or in the storage area, as well as for transportations of goods from one place to another places. So it is automatic palletizers, arrange boxes and bags on pallets for proper storage, otherwise for transportation purpose. Another important area in the packaging of masala powder, the labeling. So here we have to follow the FSSAI guidelines. So according to the FSSAI, Packaging and Labeling Regulations 2011, there are certain labeling requirements are very much important when you go for packing of masala powder. Number one, the complete name of food items to be written in clear font and format on the packaged product. Complete list of key ingredients used to produce the final product. Net quantity or weight of the product. Code number or batch number which helps in recognizing the product during the distribution process. Date of manufacture and the date of expiry of the product. Nutritional information within bracket amount of calories, proteins, trans fat, sugar, other dietary nutrients per 100 gram of product. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian mark where a green dot stands for vegetarian and a red dot stands for non-vegetarian products. Names of all food additives if anything added. The country in which the product was manufactured in case of imported food items. Detailed instructions on how to use the product and the necessary precautions and contraindications. Name of the manufacturer with the full address. So all these things has to be mentioned clearly in the labels of the packed masala powder. Here the examples how it has to be placed, it is given in the pictures. Thank you very much.